Take me to the water. Strong buzz in my mind. Take me to the water. Strong buzz in my mind.
This is gonna hurt, but it's not gonna work. Listen to my feelings and call it a lesson learned. Hate to kill the mood, but I'm just not like you. So long, goodbye. I think it's about time that I let you know that I feel like the sum of these numbers isn't adding up, yeah. If I don't ever let you go, I know that I will be so miserable. This is gonna hurt, but it's not gonna work. Listen to my feelings